Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever been in the middle of something important and suddenly your taskbar just stops working? You can't click anything, the start menu won't open, and it feels like your computer is frozen, except it's not. Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix an unclickable taskbar in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Let's dive right in. The first and easiest fix is to restart the Windows Explorer process. This is like giving your taskbar a quick refresh. Here's how you do it. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the Task Manager. In the Processes tab, scroll down and find Windows Explorer. Right-click on it and select Restart. Once you do this, your taskbar should flicker and come back to life. If this works, great. If not, don't worry. We've got more solutions coming up. The next method is to re-register taskbar with PowerShell command. Since we cannot click anything on the taskbar, open File Explorer by pressing the Windows key plus E keyboard shortcut. Then navigate to the System 32 folder in Windows. Open the Windows PowerShell folder and right-click on PowerShell.exe and select Run as Administrators. Copy and paste the following command and hit Enter. This command is typically used to re-register or repair built-in Windows Store UWP apps if they are missing, broken, or not working properly. It is often recommended when you are experiencing start menu issues in Windows 10 or 11 or the Microsoft Store, or built-in apps like Calculator, Mail, or Photos are not opening. This resets the taskbar components and can resolve deep-rooted issues. Once the command is executed, close the PowerShell window and restart your system. After restarting, the Windows taskbar should be fully reset and become clickable again. You can also use the Use DISM Restore Health tool with Command Prompt. Open the Command Prompt as Administrator, press Windows plus R to open the Run box. Type CMD into the box and then press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter to run the command as an administrator. Run this command. This command is a lifesaver for fixing system corruption and keeps your Windows installation healthy. The command will take some time to scan and restore the system health. When it is done, restart the system and check if the taskbar is working. Also scan for virus and malware infections. Occasionally, if your computer is infected with a virus or malware, it may start acting strangely and prevent you from clicking on the taskbar. This can lock you out of accessing taskbar functions, leaving you unable to open apps, access the start menu, or use other taskbar features. You can use the Windows Defender, built-in antivirus, or a third-party antivirus software. Check the video description. If nothing else works, your only option is to reset your Windows system to its factory default settings. After the reset, your system will be like new again. The good news is that the reset process is simple and straightforward. And that's it. These are the different ways to fix an unclickable taskbar in Windows 10 and 11. I hope one of these solutions worked for you. If it did, give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might be dealing with the same issue. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.